Firebase, a backend as a service that was so loved by everyone that Google had to buy it over back in 2014. Thanks to Firebase, you can develop and deploy apps that are real-time, scalable, and secure within days compared to what could have taken weeks to complete. Hi, I'm Theo Ray, and this is how you can create your own Firebase project in 8 easy steps. Step 1. Make sure you are logged into a Google account. If not, register for one. Make sure you use an official development account. Step 2. Once you have a Google account, go to Firebase console and click Add Project. Step 3. Enter your project name here and enable Google Analytics. Step 4. Enabling Authentication. Under the Authentication tab, click on Setup Sign-in Method. Just enable email and password sign-in for now. Step 5. Adding Cloud Firestore database. Simply create database and you'll be prompted to create the rules. Let's use test mode for now. Then you have to set up the Cloud Firestore location. It's recommended to set it the closest to where your end users would be, so you can take advantage of the free bandwidth. Step 6. Set up your cloud storage in a similar fashion by clicking on Get Started. You don't have to set up the cloud storage location anymore because we've already set it up back in Cloud Firestore. Take note that once you set it, you can't change it anymore in the future. Final step. Go to Project Overview and add an app. Depending on your project, it can be a web app, a mobile app, or even a Unity app. Once added, you'll be able to access the configuration to initialize your Firebase client kit and gain access to all the previous features we have enabled. If you need to access this configuration again, simply click on the app and the gear icon, scroll down, and there you have it. As a bonus step, you can also install Firebase tools on your machine. Simply go to your command prompt and type in npm install-g firebase-tools. If you don't have npm installed, or Node.js for that matter, you can follow my tutorial in installing Vue. I've went through that there. It's that simple. Within 5 minutes, we have created a project that has authentication, database, storage, hosting, and even machine learning capabilities enabled. Did you find this helpful? Tell me what I can improve. Also, consider subscribing because I will show you how to effectively add Firebase to Vue.js. Take care and happy coding!